My dear students, I am going to explain you the center of gravity of solid cone, CONE cone, and hollow cone, where it is situated. So in the case of solid cone, you find that at a height of h by 4 from the base on its axis, that means the height of the solid cone, if it is 12 centimeters, then its 1/4 will be 3 centimeter. Then at 3 centimeter from the base on its axis, the center of gravity will lie of the solid cone. But in the case of hollow cone, it will be h by 3. h by 3 from the base, on its axis. h by 3, suppose the hollow cone's height is 12 centimeter. Then h by 3 will be 4 centimeter from the base. So you find that in the case of hollow cone, the center of gravity is something up, higher than the center of gravity of the solid cone. In the case of solid cone, we found that when it was 12 centimeter, it was at 3 centimeter from the base on its axis, center of gravity was lying. But in the case of hollow cone, you found that it was at a height of 4 centimeter from the base on its axis. So in solid cone and hollow cone, you found two different center of gravities. Because of the solid cone, it was at 3 centimeter from the base on its axis, and in the case of hollow cone, it was at a height of 4 centimeter from the base on its axis, if the total height of the cone was 12 centimeter in both the cases. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.